How to fit a water-saving aerator. To do this, you'll need an adjustable wrench and water pump pliers. Step 1. Using your adjustable wrench, remove the aerator casing. Use a cloth so as not to damage it. Step 2. Remove the old aerator and insert the new one. Step 3. Make sure that there's no old sealing material in the outlet. Step 4. Insert the new sealing washer and aerator in the housing. Step 5. Refit the housing with the new aerator to the outlet and tighten using your adjustable wrench. You're done. Enjoy doing your bit for water conservation. For further technical support and advice, call us on 0861 21 21 21. Cobra, the brand you trust.